In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Throne and Liberty kicked by anti-cheat error message. So it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to your Steam application and then click Library in the top navigation. From your list of games, locate Throne and Liberty, and then we're just going to right click and select Properties. From here, click on Installed Files, and then you need to press Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now just give this a few minutes to verify all of your game files, and this will just check to make sure nothing's damaged or corrupted. Once this verification process gets to 100%, you then need to close out of this window, right click on Throne and Liberty, click on Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. From this folder, double click on Easy Anti-Cheat, and then while holding the Shift key on your keyboard, you need to right click on Easy Anti-Cheat. This will bring up the settings menu and you need to select Copy as Path. Then head over to the Start menu and search for Notepad. Then what you need to do is just paste the text we just copied from the path, and at the end of this, we're going to type in the following text. Now I've already got this saved in a notepad over here, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste it as well. So I'm just going to come back over to my notepad and paste this at the end like so. So it should basically look like this, where you have your path at the very beginning, and then we have this install text which you'll find in the video description. And once you've got all of this text, we're then going to select everything by pressing Ctrl A, right clicking and selecting copy. Then you need to head over to your Start menu, search for Run, and then click on the Run icon. Now all we need to do is paste all of this text inside of the Run command, click on OK, and if you get a security message pop up for anti-cheat, just go ahead and press yes, and that's going to go ahead and run the Easy Anti-Cheat client. Now if I head back over to the Steam application, you can try launching Thrones and Liberty, and that should have now fixed the error message. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.